Hey, tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving deep into the much anticipated showdown of 2024, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra versus the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This battle promises to be epic as two smartphone giants go head to head. First things first, let's talk about the release dates. Rumors are buzzing that Samsung might accelerate the launch of its Galaxy S24 series, possibly stealing the spotlight from Apple. Traditionally showcased in February, we might see the Galaxy S24 Ultra as early as January 2024. Now that's an exciting twist. Now let's discuss the display and design. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to sport a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a mind-blowing 144Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2,500 nits. On the other hand, the iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts a sleek 6.7-inch OLED display at 120 Hz. Both phones are expected to showcase cutting-edge design changes, with the iPhone 15 Pro Max shifting to titanium and the Galaxy S24 Ultra possibly following suit. Now let's move on to the specs. The Galaxy S24 Ultra could feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, with up to 12 GB of RAM and storage options reaching a whopping 2 TB. The camera game is strong with a 200MP main sensor and innovative features like Zoom Anyplace. Now let's not forget the iPhone 15 Pro Max flaunting its powerful S17 Pro chip, 8 GB of RAM, and a versatile camera setup including a 5x telephoto lens. Now what about the price? Both these beasts are set at $1,199 for the base model. Apple has relinquished its pricing advantage, aligning itself with Samsung's Galaxy S lineup. Will the Galaxy S24 Ultra's speculated features justify the cost? Let's find out. Now, let's talk about battery life and charging. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to introduce stacked battery technology, aiming for enhanced longevity. There's talk of a faster 65W charging speed, outshining the iPhone 15 Pro Max at 20W. Will Samsung's advancements in battery tech give it an edge? In the software realm, the Galaxy S24 Ultra could have a leg up with generative AI features. Samsung Gauss, offering on-device translation and AI-generated image creation, brings an interesting dynamic. Meanwhile, the iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts iOS 17, with a potential AI chatbot arriving with iOS 18. There you have it, the early speculations on the Galaxy S24 Ultra versus the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This battle is shaping up to be a game-changer, and we can't wait to get our hands on both phones for an in-depth review. What features are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, tech on.